if you look at the top of your yarn, you should see, kind of looks like a letter V. You should have 15 letter V's. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. There you go. So we should have 15 letter V's. Okay, you're going to be putting your hook under this letter V. Under it through here, okay? When you get to the very end of a row, you have your hook at the very end. You need to make like a wall to go up along the side. That way our project doesn't shrink. So you just pull the yarn through the loop to make an extra stitch, okay? Then you have to turn it around. Now when you're doing with the hook, you can't leave it nose up when you want to go under, because otherwise it gets caught on the yarn. And even if you have you grab the yarn, if you try and pull it under, it'll get stuck and you won't have any luck, okay? You're going to need to always turn it nose down so it'll slide through, okay? So, the letter V's. Find your first letter V right there, okay? Right there. We don't want this one right up by our hook because that's our wall. You want this letter V right here on your project. And you're going to put your hook under the V. Okay? Under both of them. And you're going to take the yarn and pull it nose down under the V. Now you'll have 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to grab the yarn, nose down, go through both loops. That's 1 stitch, okay? And then your wall, the extra stitch we made is over here. And now we have our first V on the next row. So, find your next letter V. Right there, right next to the stitch we just made. And you're going to go under the V. Grab the yarn and nose down, pull the yarn under the V. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull it through both loops. Okay. Find the next letter V. Put your hook under the V. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull it under the V. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, nose down, go through both loops. And see how it makes another stitch right there. Okay? Find your next letter V. Put your hook under the V, under both parts of the V. Grab the yarn, nose down, go under the V. 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, nose down, go on through both loops on your hook. Find the next letter V. Don't skip any V's. Don't skip like all the way over here. You gotta go to the next, right next one. Go under the V. Each V has a little hole under it. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull it under the V. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, pull nose down, pull it through both loops. Don't ever keep your yarn so tight on your hook that it's an itty bitty little noose, because then it's too loose even if you're nose down to get through. Keep your loops bigger so that there's a little gap in there. That way your nose can get through, okay? Find your next letter V. your hook under it, grab the yarn, pull it under, nose down. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull through both loops. Find your next letter V, put your hook under it, grab the yarn, nose down, pull the yarn under the V. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull through both loops. Okay, make sure you're keeping it loose on your hook so there's a little bit of room for your nose. Find your next letter V, nose on, go under it, grab the yarn, nose down, pull through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull through both loops. Find your next letter V, go under it, grab the yarn, nose down, pull under the V. Oh, look at that, I only pulled under half the V. You gotta let it go. I need to go under both parts of the V, all the way through. That's better. Grab the yarn. Yes, Bogart. Pull under the V, nose down. Shh, Bogart, be quiet. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull through both loops. I already fed you, go away. Okay, find your next letter V. It'll be right next to that stitch you just made. As you can see, it's getting taller with each stitch. Go under the next letter V, grab the yarn, nose down, pull it through. You have 2 loops on your hook. If you don't have 2 loops on your hook, you're doing slip stitch, which is an itty bitty little stitch. Your scarf will never grow. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull through both loops. Find your next letter V. Go under both parts of the V, grab the yarn, nose down, pull under the V. 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, go under, both, nose down through both loops. We're almost to the end. Find the next letter V. No, put your hook under it, grab the yarn, nose down, pull through, so you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull through both loops. Find the next letter V. Make sure you don't skip any of those V's. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull through. So you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull through both loops. Find the next letter V. We're almost to the end. We only have 2 V's left. Go under the V, grab the yarn, nose down, pull it through. Grab the yarn, go through both loops on your hook, nose down, so we don't get caught. Find the last V. This should be V number 15. Go through. It can be kind of hard to hold if it's at the very end. Pull the yarn under, nose down, 2 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn again, nose down, go through. Now if we count, this is an easy way to make it so you don't lose your stitches when you need to pull your hook out. Just pull a great big loop. Okay, let's count. Make sure we have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We don't count this loop at the end because that is our wall. That makes it so we don't squish in, okay? So now we're back at the very end. And then when you want to put your hook back in, you just put your hook in. Gently pull it till it's, remember we don't want to strangle our hook, so we want to leave a little bit of a breathing room. Now we need to make that wall again at the wall to go up. So you just grab the yarn, nose down, pull it through our last loop there. That gives us an extra little chain. Now we turn it over. We got to find that V. Now we don't want this V right here on our wall. We want the V on the floor. So find that first letter V there, right here. See, we have one for the wall and one for the floor. We need to go in the floor. In this one. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull it through. 2 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, nose down, pull it through. Okay, and then you're just going to keep going, do the same thing all the way across again. Make that extra chain for your wall and keep going back and forth. Each time you get to the end, if you count, you should still have 15 letter V's. All right? Good luck.